Last month I made $1,200 selling a course on Gumroad that I created in 48 hours using ChatGPT. No audience. No email list. No sales experience. And right now, someone watching this video could do the exact same thing this week. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell AI courses on Gumroad that earn $300 or more per week. By the end, you'll know the exact 3-step process, the specific ChatGPT prompts that turn rough ideas into complete course modules, and the pricing and launch strategy that actually converts cold traffic into paying customers. And stick around because the last method, the one barely anyone is talking about, is how I got my first 10 sales from literally 0 followers. Step 1 is finding the right course idea. This sounds obvious, but most people get it wrong. Don't create a course on how to use ChatGPT, thousands exist. Instead, pick a specific outcome someone already wants and solve it faster with AI. I sold a course called Build Your AI Content Machine in 48 hours, that's specific, it's time-bound, and it solves a real problem. Use ChatGPT to validate the idea. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 Gumroad course titles in your niche that have high buyer intent and low competition." Then search those exact titles on Gumroad. If you find fewer than 50 results with that specific topic, you found a gap. The mistake people make here? They overthink it. You don't need a revolutionary idea, you just need to position an existing idea to a specific person with a specific outcome. Now let me show you the actual course structure that sells. Step 2 is using ChatGPT to structure and write your course content in 48 hours. Here's my exact process. First, I write the course outline, that's maybe 5 to 8 modules. Then I go to ChatGPT and use this prompt, "You are a course creator. Create a detailed module outline for course title." Each module should have 3 to 5 lessons with a 5-minute lesson description, a practical assignment, and one key takeaway. Format it clearly. ChatGPT will spit out something usable in 30 seconds. Then for each lesson, I prompt, write a 800 to 1000 word course lesson on topic. Use practical examples, a step-by-step breakdown, and end with a challenge assignment. Use conversational tone like you're teaching a friend. In 48 hours, using these exact prompts, I had 20,000 words of course content. The common mistake? People try to write perfect content. You don't need perfect, you need good enough. Your students care about results, not prose. Next, I show you how to price this so it actually sells. Pricing is everything. Most people underprice because they think no one will buy from me. So they price at $7. Then they sell 50 copies and make $350, which feels like a win until you realize you put in 30 hours of work. Price it at $27 instead. You'll sell 15 copies and make $405 working less hard. Price it at $47 and you sell 8 copies for $376, but here's the real insight, higher priced courses attract buyers who are more likely to implement. I've sold courses at $17, $27, $47, and $97. The $47 course had the best student outcomes and least refund rate. On Gumroad, use the licensing model, let people buy once and use it forever. On your sales page, use this structure, problem statement, social proof even if it's one testimonial from a friend, specific outcome promise, and a module breakdown. The mistake everyone makes? They write like they're selling to everyone. Write like you're selling to one specific person who is already 80% convinced but needs permission to buy. We're halfway through, and the next part is the one I wish I'd known a year ago. Most people launch on Gumroad and wait for sales. That's backwards. You need to funnel people to Gumroad. The fastest way with 0 followers is using Twitter and TikTok. Post the problem your course solves, not the course itself. On Twitter, post threads like, "I tried making money with AI for 30 days. Here are 3 things nobody tells you," then one of those things is the hook into your course. People click your profile, see you have a course, and buy it. No fancy funnel. No expensive ads. I got my first sales from a single TikTok video showing before and after of someone using my AI method. It got 50,000 views. 8 people bought the course. That's $376 from one 60-second video. The mistake? You think you need a massive following. You don't. You need one viral moment or consistent small posts. Gumroad's affiliate program also works. Offer 30% commission to anyone who shares your link. One person shared my link and drove 12 sales. The last method, the one barely anyone uses, is the pre-launch email funnel. Before your course is even finished, create a landing page on Gumroad with an email collection field. Then go to communities, Discord servers, Reddit threads, and Facebook groups where your ideal customer hangs out. Don't pitch your course. Share genuine value, a free mini course, a template, a specific prompt, and say, if you want the full version, join my email list. When your course launches, you email that list. One of my launches got 300 people on the email list in 2 weeks. 42 of them bought on launch day. That's $1,974. The mistake people make? They cold pitch in communities. You'll get banned. Instead, become a helpful member first, then share your resource. Here's your action for this week. Pick one niche problem you can solve with ChatGPT. Spend 2 hours creating a rough course outline using that exact ChatGPT prompt I showed you. Then, and this is important, post about it on one social platform using the problem first angle. Let me recap the core. 1. Find a specific outcome gap on Gumroad using ChatGPT keyword research. 2. Write 20,000 plus words of course content in 48 hours using my exact prompts, no perfection required. 3. Price at $27 to $47, build social proof with one testimonial, and launch to a small email list you built first. Realistic outcome? First month, 5 to 8 sales. That's $135 to $375. By month 3, if you keep posting about the problem and building that email list, you're at 20 to 30 sales monthly. That's $540 to $1,410. This is not passive. You're building something real. This week, comment below, which of these methods are you going to try first? Am I going to see your course on Gumroad next week? I read every single comment. And if you're serious about building multiple AI income streams, hit subscribe. I drop a new money method every single week, and next week I'm showing you how to sell ChatGPT prompts as digital products for pure passive income. Don't miss it.